Welcome back to class. I want to serially teach you, make some videos and teach you from the scratch. We want to start with laws of indices. Laws of indices. Let's look at this. What are the laws of indices? Because if you do not have the knowledge of indices, you'll struggle in mathematics. To avoid that, come to class, let's learn together. Let's go. So law of indices, the first law, I call it the multiplication law. Multiplication law or law of multiplication. Multiplication law. And that demands that let's assume we have x is to power a multiplied by x is to power b. And the laws of indices, multiplication laws of indices demand that since the bases are the same, I pick one of the base, then add the powers or the the yes the power. So a plus b. Okay. Then another law I call the law of division. Division law. Division law. Division law. In division law, let's assume we have a is to power x is to power a divided by x is to power b. So what do we do? We pick one of the base. Since the base are the same, pick one of them, like what we did here. Then for the powers, we subtract a minus b. There's another one. I call it zero law. Zero law. Zero law. This is, let's assume I have x to the power 0. This is equal to what? 1. Anything raised to the power 0 is equal to 1 in laws of indices. Then the another one I want to show you is what I call inverse law. I call it inverse law. Let's assume we have s is to the power 1, s is to the power minus 1. S to the power minus 1 is the same thing of saying this will be written as 1 over s is to the power that 1. Okay? Is to the power 1. And you know in mathematics, anything is to the power 1 is that same thing. So I have a 1 all over x. Okay? So please, in my next video, I want you to follow. In my next video, I will begin to show you examples in this law of indices. God bless you.